Here's green tea. Let's talk. Hi, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, and I have a good news. You ready? Before we going to what I want to tell you, I want to show you this beautiful, I put a picture somewhere around here, this beautiful Stardust Vest that I made. I'm not sure when that I designed this one. I think earlier this year, spring, I believe. And I want to give you a written pattern, a free written pattern. How you can get it, you just have to sign up to my mailing list, and you will receive this in your email after you confirm the subscription to my mailing list, and then you get the link, and this link you can just download it into the PDF file, sorry. And for those who already signed up to my mailing list, you can just receive it today as well when I send out the newsletter to you, my letter, and you will receive in your inbox as well. All right, so you find all the links in the description box below. Make sure you do that today so that you not miss it. And now let's come to the topic I want to share with you. I actually write down in the paper so I don't forget when I want to talk with you. First of all, how are you? It has been, I don't know, just 1 week or maybe 10 days. I'm not sure how long it was my last video that I made here with, do you remember the short guided meditation before we start to crochet this beautiful spider? I put also the link for you if you don't see that yet. The shawl, the wrap, the body wrap. And if you're new here, my name is Maya, and welcome to the family. And this channel is all about crochet and life, real life. And today, for those who already subscribed and been here for a long time, I wanted to let you know the change that I just made a decision 2 days ago, because I can no longer juggling many channels, and I was thinking before that it's good to have separate, but now I feel like I want everyone to be here together, so I come up with the idea to do weekly video. If you are happy, that just comment below now yes, then I know that you are happy about my decision. I'm going to do a weekly video every Wednesday, gonna be everything crochet related, like something like this. We're talking, we're sharing about the giveaway and Q&A. If you have any question, you can also leave them down below, and next video I will answer that as well. But Q&A will not be every week. It's gonna be Q&A, and of course video tutorial of my designs. For example, I just finished this sweater, and now I send out to test at the moment. I put also the photo for you how it look on me. And yeah, now I'm waiting for the testers to send back the finished piece to see how this look on everyone. And after that, I will put the video together, and also try not to make a long video, but I want to make a clear video to show you how to make it, and for you to be able to make into your size, and to show you how to measure your body and everything that you need to know. And on Sunday, I usually send the email video. I usually send an email on Monday to another group of people that working with me in the healing pathway. And on Sunday, I plan to do every Sunday sharing, talking about personal lifestyle, not a personal lifestyle, sharing about personal and spiritual growth. And I wanted to share also about the work that I do as a space holder for women retreat, meditation, guided meditation, and all about, yeah, self-love, self-healing, and self-development. If you are into that, you can also watch me on Sunday, and everything gonna be in this channel. And if it's too much for you, I understand that if this is not what you want, you can just choose to watch only on Wednesday. And for that, I make clear to you now that I will make Wednesday everything crochet related, and Sunday is about personal and spiritual growth. And I'm going to also have a playlist separately, so you can choose what you want to see, and what you are not ready to see, then it's also fine. The reason I'm doing this because I feel this is good for me to work in a way that everything connected. Like many times I said to you, I already know that everything connected, all the work that I do, either crochet, healing, because for me crochet is pure healing. And but knowing is not enough for me, you know. Everything in life, if I don't feel it in my heart, I can't really do it good. And I wanted to do my best, and I wanted to share my best with you. So I want to be true. I have to be true to myself, because this is the only way I can be true to all of you. And for all that said, if you are interested to know more about why crochet is so healing to me, just leave your comment down below and we can talk more about this. You can also find me on Instagram for daily inspiration and update. I post on Instagram every day, and also we have a Facebook group. I have now more Facebook group because there's a group of people, women who work with me. Last weekend I have a woman retreat. We work a lot with connecting with our womb, our womanhood, and our femininity, and how to bring out this beauty and this love, just to feel it first for ourselves, and how to connect with this inner self, inner child in us, and how to come back home to love ourselves again. And if you want to know more about it, just leave your comment down below. And you can also find me on Facebook group called Love Warrior Sisterhood Womb Awakening. And for the crochet, you can find me under the name Crochet Tribe MayaLunaCorazon. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay beautiful as you are. If you want to know more about everything, just read the description box and all the links will be provided for you. Don't forget to sign up for the mailing list, then you will receive this beautiful vest just today, right after this video. Alright, see you next Sunday, this Sunday coming. You know, I film right now on Wednesday morning and I'm going to upload today. Crazy, right? But this is how I work. See you later. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye. Mwah. I love you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe by click, where is the box? I think it's here, just right here. The box down below this video. And there's the little bell. You see that little cute bell? Just hit that bell as well, and then you will get the notification every time I post a new video. Alright, cheers.